Hi guys, happy Valentine. So I got Valentine gift from Sarah Donald and from Kosher Spaces. So the box itself is beautiful. It's filled with goodies, beautiful, lovely items in the box, which I love. I got 2 candles and I love this candle. The packaging is sleek, it's beautiful. Like, I couldn't stop looking at the candle because of how beautiful and sleek it is, guys. It is so fruity and beautiful and yummy. And the second candle is beautiful. I mean, I love how sleek the bottle, the packaging is. The bottle itself is just so beautiful. Like the glass itself, like guys, look at how sleek and beautiful this candle is. It looks beautiful. I also got a diffuser, which I love. I mean, the packaging, everything in this box is so beautiful. I mean, it's the thoughts for me that matters. Like, is the attention to details, how beautiful everything is. I also got a cup, a teacup, which I love, and it has an imprint of love, which is so beautiful. I got mini candles, which I also love as well. I got essential oils, which are pretty and lovely and yummy, by the way. Like, they're so beautiful. I love everything. And guys, I also got notebook. I mean, it's the packaging, the cover of the notebook. I fell in love with it the minute I saw it. Like, it's so beautiful. And it's a thought that actually matters for me. And thank you so much, Sarah and Kosher Spaces, for sending me this lovely Valentine gift. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. That's all of it in the box. Make sure to follow Kosher Spaces on Instagram and Sarah Donald. She's also a YouTuber. And I'll see you in my next video. Let me know if you love unboxing videos.